Alright, so we are talking about the change of base formula here. So specifically, how do I calculate the logarithm of a number for bases other than 10 or e? So for instance, what if I have a problem, log base 8 of 7? Now you might say, that's no big deal. You key that into the calculator, the computer, or something like that, and yeah, you can. A curious question might be, well, how did they do that before they had all those tools and stuff like that? And I am going to show you that, and in some ways, what I'm going to show you here is actually can be even faster than having to type this up with the proper base and everything like that. So let's look at how to create this formula. So for starters, we'll just say that a and b are positive real numbers and a is not equal to 1. And since we're making things up here, we might as well say that x is equal to the log base a of b. So just some arbitrary x is equal to the log base a of b. So let's go ahead and turn that into that logarithmic equation into an exponential equation. So we have base a, exponent x, and that's equal to b over here. All right. Then we will take the logarithm of both sides, so totally legitimate operation since taking the logarithm is a mathematical operation. And whatever we do to one side, we do to the other, so we take the log. And I'm going to say of base c on both sides. So log base c of this side, log base c of that side. Now if you remember from our properties of logarithms, that if we have the log of anything to a power, or to an exponent that is, then we can just bring that exponent out as a coefficient. So this becomes log, or x times log base c of a. Right hand side stays the same. And then we'll just divide both sides by log base c of a. So we have x equals to log base c of b divided by log base c of a. And then, hey, what do you know? X was what we kind of had over here at the beginning. It was equal to log base a of b. So we have log base a of b is equal to log base c of b divided by log base c of a. Now that c can be anything, and a lot of times it's most convenient is to use the natural log, since that's a very readily available function on your calculator. Just hit the ln button. You could also just hit the log button, which is normally log base 10. For this example, I'll just use natural log since I can write it faster. So natural log of b over natural log of a. So notice whatever your number here is inside the logarithm, that's going in the numerator, and that base there is in the denominator. So back to our example, the log base 8 of 7 is natural log of 7 divided by natural log of 8. Type it in, enter, enter, boom, 9375. That's it. That's all you have to do. So if you have log, this is a weird one, but might be one you see on homework, log base 1/4 of 9, that's just natural log 9 divided by natural log 1/4. That's going to end up being a negative 1.585. Just to write that formula up here at the top here for a conclusion here, we have log base a of b is equal to ln b divided by ln a. That's known as change of base formula. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.